This water?
It's water. It's natural spring water. It's free.
What's wrong?
That video got 35 million views and 100 million views across all platforms. I help founders with their story, and I want to talk about this video and why it's so amazing. And it's not a paid ad. This is some random guy that the founder of Freewater met on the street. And it all centers on the strategy that Josh Clifford, founder of Freewater, and his team came up with to help drive awareness for the brand. The secret, they use their product as the story. The way it works is they get advertisers to pay for the ads that go on their cans or their compostable cartons. That allows them to give away their water for free. Then they hit these events where all kinds of people are gathering or coming together, and they pass out the water and give it to them at those places for free. They also share crazy stats about water and plastic, such as 1 in 3 people don't have access to clean drinking water across the world. Bottled water companies charge 2,000 times the price of tap water, and they're making 1 million plastic bottles per minute, and only 9% of those bottles are getting recycled. In addition, Freewater donates 10% to charity to finance water projects around the world. All the while, they get people to talk about the free water just when they get to receiving it, and they're filming their reaction. And everybody loves free stuff. I mean, come on. Especially when they're thirsty, they're happy to talk about it. The advertisers get great exposure at whatever event or activation where they're passing out the water. This strategy has worked so well, they've amassed 1.2 million social media followers across their platforms. They've manufactured their 270,000th can of water to help finance these water projects in Africa and India. And they're on track to hit their billionth organic impression by the end of 2023. Think about that. They're not paying for any ads, and they're going to get 1 billion impressions, all because they got people to share their story by giving them free water. So next time you're thinking about your story, think about your product or your service and how you can turn that into this storytelling megaphone that's going to help people drive awareness for your brand.